Hi to all our wonderful Outback users and specifically our Opal Peelable Wax users. I just wanted to do a quick video for you today because we've had some queries coming in regarding the correct working temperature for Opal. So I just wanted to do a visual on the wax and actually show you the correct working temperature. What you'll see first of all is the center, the core of the wax will always remain quite solid. So throughout the day that may shrink slightly, but try and avoid actually mixing that all into the pot. We're going to be working with this juicy stuff around the edge. So temperature wise, you're looking at the wax being around 52 to 56 depending on room temperature and time of year. But the better way to actually show you the working temperature of Opal is what I call a visual consistency check with your wax on the spatula. So what you'll see with that on the spatula is it sits like a thick honey. I'm not having to get my hand underneath to catch any running wax, and it just sits and takes a little while before it will run off of the spatula. So again, it needs to sit like a thick honey. So it takes a while to drop off, and that will show you the perfect working consistency for Opal. I'm also going to show you some application for the Opal so you can see at the correct working temperature how it should go on. Okay, so correct application for Opal. So I've got my wax on the spatula like a thick honey, and then when you apply you're going to deposit. Make sure you're stretching, supporting the skin, and really firmly press your wax into the area. So these here are creating a stretch so I can let go, and the polymers can then shrink the wax onto the hair. It takes about 5-6 seconds to set, and then we need to put a stretch in front to remove. Use the tip of your spatula to lift your edge, adjust your stretch, and off.